Wait until you see this thing. China is rolling out their latest crime-fighting innovation to catch crooks. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com where my newsletter is free. It is a robotic sphere known as the RotunBot, a 276-pound ball that can roll down the street at speeds of 22 miles an hour to actively pursue suspects. Look at this thing. This self-balancing sphere is equipped with GPS, cameras, and sensors to navigate its surroundings and track potential threats. And get this, it's amphibious. That's right, this robot can roll from land straight into the water without missing a beat. But here's where it gets really interesting. The RotunBot comes packed with non-lethal weapons like tear gas, smoke bombs, and even net shooters. Sure, it may look a bit wobbly and weird when turning, and stairs are, well, still its kryptonite. But for pursuing suspects on flat ground or water, this rolling robot might just be a breakthrough in law enforcement technology. So I want to know what you think. Should we embrace robot police in the future? Or should we stick to human officers? More crazy cool tech like this at CyberGuy.com. If you're not getting my newsletter already, do yourself a favor, open a browser, go to CyberGuy.com and click the red button at the top to get it for free.